Good day everyone. In this video today, I will show you how to install WhatsApp on iPhone. So to do this, what you have to do is just to go to your App Store. So let's just open our App Store right here. As you can see, here's the App Store app right here. So click on it to continue. So when done with that, the next thing for you to do is just to click on search, which is the one at the bottom right of the screen. Then you search for WhatsApp to continue. So click on search. So right here, as you can see, here is WhatsApp right here. So you can then click on this download button to download the WhatsApp. So as you can see right now, the WhatsApp is about to download. Just click on download to continue, and the WhatsApp will start downloading. You just have to give it some time for it to download. So just give it some time. So right now, as you can see, it has finished installing. So you can then go back to your home page. When you go back to your phone, you see the WhatsApp right here. So you can just click on it to open. Click on agree and continue. So when done, as you can see, you can then click on allow. So when done, you can then enter, select your country right here. Let me just select my country. Then you can then enter the phone number of your country right there. As you can see, here's my phone number right here. The next thing for you to do when done with that is just to click on next to continue. Yes. So a code will be sent to your phone. As you can see, just with a code will be sent to the phone number. As you can see, 604692. So let me just enter the code right here. So validating code, just wait for a while, the code will be validated. As you can see right here, there are some barcode. Let me just keep this. So can then add a profile picture to it if you want. Just click on add photo. Then you can take a photo, choose a photo, or select an avatar. Let me just choose a photo. So just select any photo of your choice. So let me just use this one right here. Click on choose. Then you can add a name to it. So when done, click on done at the top right of the screen. Click on OK. As you can see right now, I'll just install WhatsApp to my iPhone. So as you can see, here is updates right here. Here is call, community, chat, settings. As you can see, here's the WhatsApp app right here. So that's all to do this. Hope this video helped. Please give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.